What's up, Zimbabwe? What's up, Harare? This is Fally Ipupa. I'm gonna be in Zimbabwe, Harare, on May 26th of May in Harare, Zimbabwe. Hosted by
G Entertainment presents Fally Ipupa in Harare, Zimbabwe on the 26th of May at HICC.
Hey, what's up, Zimbabwe, Harare? This is Fally Ipupa. I'm gonna be there. I'm gonna be in Zimbabwe, Harare on the 26th of May. Make sure you take your ticket. Fally Ipupa, I'm coming.
Oliver Mtukudzi will be killing it, and various artists. G Entertainment is shutting it down. Tickets are now available at Chicken Slice brunches and all Liquor Boy stores. See you there.
Harare, I'm coming on my way. See you tonight. Thanks. Harare, I'm coming on my way. See you tonight. Thanks.